Good morning children. Today we will do next topic, shapes. See children, here we have open figure and this is closed figure. In the open figure we have starting and ending point. Okay, we have 2 points, one starting and one ending point. And this figure is open. In this closed figure, and the starting and end point is same. So this is closed figure. Polygons are closed figure which are entirely made up of line segments, also called an rectilinear figure. So this is polygon children. For polygon there are 2 conditions. It should be closed, वो बंद होती है वो figure. It is a closed figure and it is entirely made up of line segment. ये लाइन सेगमेंट है, ठीक है, लाइन सेगमेंट से बनी हुई है और वो क्लोज्ड फिगर है. अगर ये 2 कंडीशन पूरी होती है then it is a polygon. Any figure made up of line segment and it is closed, it is a polygon. Types of polygons. Children, these are the different types of polygon. We have classified this polygon on basis of their sides. अगर 3 sides हैं and it is closed figure, it is a triangle. अगर 4 sides हैं किसी भी figure में and it is closed, then it is a quadrilateral. अगर 5 sides हैं और closed figure है, then it is pentagon. 6 sides वाली closed figure, hexagon. And 8 side वाली closed figure है octagon. If we have 3 sides and 3 angles, ये angle है 1, 2, 3 and 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3 vertices means corner. And here we have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, we have an hexagon and octagon. Now in your syllabus children, we will do triangles. So for triangles, we have 3 angles, 3 sides and 3 vertices. This is angle as I told you before. This is sides or edges and this is vertex. Corner जो है ये vertex है. So these are the elements of triangles. 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Good morning children. Today we will do different types of triangles. Now triangles are classified according to the sides and according to its angle. So आप triangle को उनके साइड्स के अकॉर्डिंग क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एंगल्स ऑल्सो. नाउ इफ ऑल द साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल देन इट इज़ नोन एज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. अगर जो साइड्स हैं ये सारी इक्वल हैं, इक्वल लेंथ की हैं, ऑल द 3 साइड्स आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ, then this is equilateral triangle. So side AB equal to side BC equal to side AC. So this is equilateral triangle. Now another, if 2 sides are equal, अगर 2 sides same हैं और तीसरी side अलग है, so this is isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. Any 2 sides are equal, then this is isosceles triangle. So side AB is equal to side AC. This is isosceles triangle. If all the sides are unequal, अगर सारे sides equal नहीं हैं, सारे अलग अलग length के sides हैं, then this is scalene. This is scalene. So OM is not equal to MN is not equal to NO. Classification of triangle according to angles. A triangle having all the angles acute is called an acute angle. So this is a triangle, children. This is all, here all the sides are acute angle, less than 90 degree. If all the sides are acute, then this is acute angle triangled. Clear, children? So angle A, angle B and angle C are acute angle, therefore this is acute triangle. Next, a triangle having one of its angles obtuse is called obtuse triangle. Only one side is obtuse more than 90 degree, then it is obtuse triangle. Clear, children? Other two sides are acute but one side is obtuse. Obtuse का मतलब more than 90 degree होता है, तो this is obtuse triangle. A triangle having one of its angle right angle is called the right triangle. If only one angle is of 90 degree, that is right angle, then it is right angle triangle. Clear, children? So this angle Y is right angle. So this is known as right angle triangle. Exercise 4, triangles. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. Now this is a triangle. Now how many sides are there in a figure and name them? So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 sides and they are line segment PQ, line segment QR and line segment RP. Name the polygon. So children, as I told you that a polygon is made up of line segment and it is a closed figure. So this is a polygon and its name is triangle. Now how many vertices are there in the figure? Name them. So vertices means corner. कोने जो होते हैं वो vertices होते हैं. तो कितनी vertices है? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 vertices and it is point P, point Q, point R. Now how many angles are there in the figure and name all of them? So there are 3 angles. 1, 2, 3 and it is P, Q, R. This is angle Q and angle QRP, this angle, and angle RPQ, this angle. Okay, children? Next question. What is the sum of all angles of triangle? When you sum, ये जो angles है इसकी आप जब total करते हैं, ठीक है, तो इसका जो total है वो क्या होता है? 180. It is 180 degree. Question 3. State the types of triangles whose angles are given below. Give 2 names for each. Now children, आपको टाइप बताना है कौन से टाइप का ट्रायंगल है. ठीक है, ये जो आपको एंगल्स दिए हुए हैं ये देख के बताना है कि कौन सा टाइप का ट्रायंगल है और 2 नेम्स देने हैं. Now this is 70, 80 and 30. So children, you will notice that this is less than 90 degree. ये सारे less than 90 degree हैं. That means ये acute angle है. So इसका नाम है acute angle triangle. And all are different. Means sides are also different. So this is scalene triangle. ये सारे अलग अलग हैं इसलिए scalene triangle. Now 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So this is less than 90 degree. So acute angle triangle and all the 3 sides are equal. So this is equilateral triangle. 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. So 2 sides are equal and it is 90 degree means right angle. So right angle triangle and 2 sides are equal. So 2 sides equal जो होता है triangle वो कौन सा है? Isosceles triangle. 20 degree, 30 degree and 130 degree. So 130 degree is more than 90 degree. One side is obtuse, so it is obtuse angled triangle. And all the sides are equal, so it is scalene triangle. Similarly, you are going to do these questions. Question number 4. Name each of the following triangle in two different ways based on the sides and angles. So these are the triangles. You have to give the name on the basis of their sides and angles. Now here is a triangle. उसकी आपकी साइड की मेजरमेंट आपको दी हुई है. So these two sides are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. And you can see this is less than 90 degree. तो ये है acute angle triangle. Okay, one name you will give on the basis of angle and the other name you will give on the basis of side. So acute angle triangle and isosceles triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle and all the sides are unequal. So this is scalene. This is obtuse angle triangle and these two sides are same. So this is isosceles triangle. Now similarly you will do this. This is the symbol of right angle triangle. Clear, children?